Hey guys, what's happening? So this is a 2019 Road Glide Special, full stock. It's got the Milwaukee 8 with a 114. Had this bike for a while now, and thing's awesome. So figured I'd do a walk around, show you how it looks. It's a little dusty right now. I live, believe it or not, on a dirt road, so unfortunately I have to take it in and out on the dirt road, but you know, that is what it is. But you can see the bike's fully stock. Nothing's been changed on it yet. I'm still under that 1,000 miles. My thing is hit 1,000 miles and then I'll do some work on it. That way I know the bike, I'll break it in stock. So anyway, this is it, and I'll take some footage of it going down 6 Mile Canyon and show you how this thing performs from the bike's perspective. I'll have a camera on the bike and go have some fun with this thing. So anyway, there it is. Hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up if you do. Thanks.
Shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.